While going to the fair of Dingle one fine morning last July, while going up the road before me, a red-haired girl I chanced to spy. I went up to her, says I, young lady, a donkey he will carry too. Well, seeing as how you have a donkey, to Dingle fair I'll ride with you. Now when we reached the town of Dingle, I took her hand to say goodbye. When a tinker man stood up beside me, I belted me in my left eye. Keep your hands up, red-haired Mary, her and I will soon be wed. We'll see the priest this very morning, tonight we'll lie in a married bed. Feeling kind of peevish, my poor eye was sad and sore. So I tapped him gently with me hobnail, and he fell back through Murphy's door. A policeman came around the corner and told me I had broke the law. And then the donkey kicked him in the kneecap, and he fell down and broke his jaw. Then he went off to find his brother, the biggest man you ever did meet. And he gently tapped me with his knuckles, and I was minus 2 front teeth. Keep your hands up, red-haired Mary, her and I will soon be wed. We'll see the priest this very morning, tonight we'll lie in a married bed. Girl, she kept on smiling. I'll go with you, young man, she said. We'll forget the priest this very morning.